Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Junli Freeride Skateboard Longboard. This longboard is designed to cruise, carve, and ride hills and is extremely nimble and adaptable. It has a 41-inch deck constructed of cold-pressed 8-ply natural maple with a waterproof grip surface. It also includes 7-inch aluminum alloy trucks and 70mm polyurethane wheels with high-speed bearings, allowing you to build up some serious velocity when you're ready. Consider this board as the ideal starter present for a loved one or for yourself. Highly responsive 7-inch aluminum alloy trucks and ultra-high elastic crew support pad, providing control and stability. Built for downhill, speed and freestyle riding, wide turning radius, suitable for all age sports enthusiast groups. Developing your strength, balance and reaction while enjoying fun. Number 2 in this best carving longboard list is White Wave Bamboo Longboard Skateboard. The White Wave Bandit 36-inch longboard is a high-quality, modern take on a classic. This model is composed of durable multi-layered bamboo and Canadian maple wood, with clear grip tape on top to show off the sleek, basic patterns while preventing slipping. The 7-inch long aluminum drop-through trucks are cushioned with ultra-high rebound bushings. When you mix in the 70mm high rebound urethane wheels and Bec 9 bearings, you've got yourself a dream cruising and carving machine. Take a look at the other patterns, shapes, and sizes available from White Wave before making a purchase. Multi-layered bamboo deck is 41-inch long by 9.75-inch wide and made from Canadian maple, provides a stable grip during skating. Ideal for beginners, medium or advanced riders, who embrace the skating lifestyle. The Bandit was designed to have all the benefits of a longboard and a short board all in one. The mild camber and concave make this board extremely comfortable for all riders. Great board for cruising, carving and commuting. This longboard skateboard is the perfect gift for family and friends. It comes fully assembled ready to ride, all you have to do is ride the wave, enjoy and have fun. Our third pick is Baijiawei Drop-Through. The Baijiawei longboard is a perfect choice for beginners and those who enjoy cruising, carving, freestyle and downhill. Equipped in stable 8-ply hardwood maple deck and the high-rebound 88-PU wheels with the Bec 11 high-speed bearings. Our longboard designed with attractive patterns such like fashionable shinning stars and so on. This drop-through style board is worth checking out because of its affordability and design. The 41 by 10-inch deck is extremely sturdy, manufactured of 8-ply wood, and comes in a variety of graphic styles. This board features aluminum trucks that are lightweight but robust, as well as incredibly smooth riding polyurethane wheels with a Bec 11 high-speed bearings. The rider's knees and ankles are further relieved by shock-absorbing rings surrounding the trucks. Baijiawei creates products with the environment in mind, allowing you to feel good about your purchase. Fourth pick in our best carving longboard list is Fish Longboard Skateboard. The Fish Downhill Longboard is available in a number of cool graphics designs that are suitable for both children and adults. This 41-inch drop-through board is composed of high-density 8-ply grade A Canadian maple wood and has an emery non-slip grip on the top, so you may feel safe when riding it. The high-quality thick aluminum alloy trucks have sturdy steel axles and measure 7 inches broad. The Bec 9 bearings and super smooth anti-shock 70mm polyurethane wheels provide a smooth, fast, and exhilarating riding experience. This board is meant to come with an all-in-one T-tool if you need to conduct some maintenance or repairs, however some buyers reported that theirs wasn't included. This shouldn't be a problem though because this is a simple instrument to obtain. Super smooth 70 by 51mm HR82A anti-shock PU wheels with super smooth degree Bec 9 chrome steel and SHR95A super soft bushings deliver a very smooth ride. Comes with all-in-one skate T-tool, has everything you need to tighten up or repair your skateboard. Last in this list is Retrospec Longboard Skateboard. Rift is designed for speed. This unique board features a unique shape for added balance and improved push power without the risk of wheel bite as you carve. Reactive and smooth gliding slant reverse 180mm kingpin trucks with precision ABEC 9 bearing for less pushing and a longer, faster roll. We equipped our board with extra gritty and abrasive 80 grip tape for total control over your balance and ride. Tie it all together with 41-inch of Canadian maple for a smooth, fast ride. Classic retro surf style longboard for commuting, cruising, carving, and downhill riding. Rift provides the agility and control needed to bomb hills and pivot quickly and responsively. Take control of your ride with reactive and smooth gliding slant reverse 180mm kingpin trucks with precision ABEC 7 stainless steel bearings. Precision ball bearings in the ABEC 7 tolerance grade is ideal for high speed and extreme running accuracy, capable of handling all of your adventures.